on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick little tech tip on anybody who is looking to install a eBay front lip on their Scion FRS. Mine over here, you guys can see, this is my second one I've had. I had this one on for basically a year. It had a little bit of damage, so you got some zip ties, all that stuff on the front end. These cars are pretty low, and then when you drop 1 inch, it makes it a little bit lower, a little bit more complex with basically lines on the street and all that stuff, so you just gotta watch where you're going. But this is a brand new one, fully installed on the front end here. These look great, and I hate spending money on front lips, but I do like them. So this one right here for about 60, 70 bucks on eBay is a great option. So we're gonna talk about what you guys are looking at doing when you guys are gonna be installing your lip. And then this is basically what it looks like completed. So with your lip kit, you can see this one's extremely dirty. But you're gonna have 2 fasteners here on either side. These clip into the stock clips on the bottom of your actual fender, or basically your fender liner down here. So on the bottom of your bumper, as well as your fender liner, there are 2 large holes. You're gonna use basically these clips here. The original OEM ones from the actual bumper itself are gonna be reused in this install. So you're gonna reuse those 2 on either side, as well as one here, depending on the lip. This new one that I installed actually does not have this hole here, but this is another stock fender clip on the bottom of your bumper. So basically you're gonna have those clips. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the rest of these are actually gonna be screwing into the bottom of the bumper. So really it's just gonna be those clips that help keep it aligned, and then from there you actually are gonna be screwing into the bumper. So even though it is kind of a permanent mod because you are screwing in, it is something that can be removed because actually on the bumper itself, the screws are actually underneath. So it's definitely something that can be removed if you guys want to install a lip. Yes, I have fully installed mine already, but I will show you what you guys are looking at when you actually are doing the install. First off, it is nice to have a second set of hands. These eBay lips, I mean, this fitment is actually pretty good. You guys can see here, the lines kind of all match up pretty well, but I mean, it is an eBay lip. There's a reason why this one costs 60 bucks and it's not a, $200, $300 lip for the most part. So make sure everything is aligned. The best thing to do is have somebody help you just holding one side while you kind of hold the middle of the section so you can get a screw started in the middle once you have your 2 little clips installed on the back sides of your bumper, or of the lip itself, sorry. So once you have those 2 installed, then you can actually have someone here holding the lip, pressing it up to keep it tight against the bumper itself, and then you're doing the same thing on this side where you can then start basically screwing in your screws kind of in the middle area, just to make sure everything is even. So we'll go ahead and slide underneath real quick. And this is what I'm talking about. So you can see I have evenly spaced the screws, which the silver ones are the brand new ones that came with the lip, and the black ones that are in here too are the ones that came with the other lip. I went a little heavy duty just because these lips, they are sturdy. You guys can see here I'm actually pushing down pretty hard. It only has a little bit of flex, but when you smack this thing into the ground for any reason, I just didn't want it to rip off. So hopefully I won't have any issues with this one breaking, but this is basically all you're doing when you're installing these front lips. So as I said, you're basically clipping in your clips on the far side over there, as well as this side, and then you're just gonna be screwing everything in. But there you go, guys. Everything is completed. I know it really wasn't a full install video, just a few little tech tips to help you guys get yours done. These lips are a little bit different depending on which one you get. Some of them might have the clips here, some of them might not. So basically, either way, it's gonna be a screw-on lip for the most part. So it's just one of those things. Take your time, as I said. Make sure everything is even. Line up everything so everything fits nice. But you guys can see, I mean, the fitment on these is actually pretty nice. So it actually has a nice seam. They're ABS plastic, so you can flex them. You can move in or out depending on where you need to adjust them to actually fit up to the bumper nicely. But once they are on, they actually look pretty great. So it's one of those things to kind of, help your body lines on the bottom end of the car. So, and then the other thing too is about these eBay lips, which I really like, is that they're cheap. I know people are like, well, it's not quality, because it's only 75 bucks. Well, I mean, I can buy 4 of these compared to 1 of your really expensive lips, and I think these look just fine. So, but yeah, that's about it, guys. If you guys have any more questions, please let me know. Like the channel. Please subscribe to all our content and all that good stuff. We have more stuff coming up on the FJ, more tech talk stuff about that stuff as well. Kind of like for example, we're going to do a video about the Sparco install seats on the FJ. So stay tuned for all that stuff, and please like the channel. Bye, guys.